It is quite common to gain weight around the belly. Apart from this, your face is also one area of the body where you might easily gain weight. Unfortunately, it is not simple to get rid of the face fat. So if you are confused about how to reduce the face fat, you have come to the right place. Face exercises are the answer to your problem. Always keep in mind that spot reduction or focusing on particular body portion to lose weight is ineffective. The only way to lose weight is to live a healthy lifestyle that consists of a balanced diet and regular exercise. But here are some exercises that can enhance the process and help you strengthen your facial muscles. Eliminate wrinkles and form a jawline by boosting blood circulation and removing tension all around your facial muscles. So let's dive straight into it and follow these 5 workouts to reduce your face fat. Number 1, chin lift. Step 1. Sit somewhere or stand keeping your back straight. Step 2. Throw your head back and keep your mouth closed and stretch your neck as much as you can. Step 3. Try to keep your lower lip over your upper lip and look up. Step 4. Hold the pose for 5 seconds. Step 5. Pull back your head to the starting position. This is 1 set. Step 6. Now complete 10 to 15 sets regularly. Next exercise is fish face. Step 1. Close your mouth and suck your cheeks inside, just like a fish face. Step 2. Try to smile while holding the pose. Step 3. Hold the pose for 15 to 20 seconds. You will feel the burn in your cheeks and jaw area. Step 4. Now release the pose and relax. Step 5. Repeat it at least 5 times regularly. Next exercise is raise your eyebrows. Step 1. Open your eyes wide. Keep your eyebrows lifted and make sure your eyebrows are not wrinkled. Step 2. Place your index and middle finger together between your eyebrows. Step 3. Rest your other fingers and palm on your face. Step 4. With the help of your index and middle finger, lift your eyebrows up and down. Step 5. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds regularly. Number 4. Puff your cheeks. Step 1. Puff your cheeks by taking a deep breath and filling your mouth with air. Step 2. Hold the air in for 10 seconds. Step 3. Now try to hold the air to the left side for 10 seconds and then to the right side for 10 seconds. Number 4. Release the air, making a big O in your mouth. Now repeat this exercise for 5 times. Next exercise, chewing gum. It's one of the simplest exercises for which you need a sugar-free gum. Chew it for at least 15 to 20 minutes and chew it twice a day. Now let's learn some benefits of facial exercises. Face yoga provides anti-aging results through a combination of massage and facial exercises. Face yoga benefits include easing tension, tightening skin, and strengthening facial muscles. If you practice face yoga daily for 20 minutes, you are likely to see results in 6 weeks. Fact check. Facial exercises targets the muscles of your face specifically. This will help you reduce facial fat as well as improve muscle strength. There are a variety of facial exercises that will also help you fight signs of aging. But losing overall weight is the most effective way to reduce facial fat. We advise you to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Also, do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.